Hi, this is Mr. Richmond, and for this video we're going to look at the Phet-Greenhouse Gas Simulation for your assignment. So once we open the simulation, we can see the visible light photons coming in, entering our atmosphere, and we have the red infrared photons, some of which are going through the atmosphere, some of which you can see kind of pinging back down to the Earth's surface, getting trapped in as greenhouse gas. So you're going to be asked to change the greenhouse gas concentration for a certain percentage. You could say all the way down to none would be 0%, a quarter 25, halfway 50, 75, 100%. And I would wait about 30 seconds to a minute to see how temperature would fluctuate. Then you can go ahead and record your measurement. Some features that you can change for the simulation: you can change the era, the time period, to today, to 1750, as well as the ice age, and see if there's any differences with temperature. You could also change the number of clouds and see how that can impact temperature. And also part of the simulation, you can add and take away the number of glass panes, similar to what you'd see in an actual greenhouse, see how temperature responds. And finally, for your assignment, you want to go ahead and observe how infrared photons react with methane, CH4, as well as visible light. You can change to carbon dioxide, water, nitrogen, and observe how both infrared and visible light have an impact with each one of these molecules. Finally, you're going to be asked to build your own atmosphere. And if you would like to trap in as much heat as possible, which molecules, methane, water, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, which molecules do you think would be the most efficient at trapping in some of this heat? I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your assignment.